going to introduce you to the brow bow. This is the latest measuring technique that we've developed here at your Beautique Academy. Over the years, we have used many different devices, and we find this is really streamlined and easy for you students to use. Your first point is going to be to find the central point of the face. You do this by placing the string of the brow bow over the nose, through the Cupid's bow and up to the forehead. This will give you your centre point for creating your symmetry. Horizontally, we're going to hold the brow bow, move it up through the eyes and actually push it against the face to point to us where the baseline of the bulb of the brow is going to start. We are then going to move this brow bow away and replace it round about 1 centimetre above the line we have just marked on our client's face. Again, what we're going to do is that same diameter or slightly less, we're going to raise the brow bow again and give us our top point of where our arches will be. We're then going to wriggle that brow bow back and forward slightly so it leaves an imprint of pencil there for us to follow. What we have to do is during this whole procedure is keep reapplying the pencil to the brow bow so we can constantly mark on our client's face our measurement. We are then going to turn our brow bow vertically, and from the base point of the left brow lower bulb, take it through to the top point of the right brow bulb, following that vertical line all the way up to our top point of our right arch. You then need to adjust your measurements, taking into account the actual symmetry of the face. Not all clients are totally symmetrical. You may find that they have one brow naturally that's a little bit higher than the other, one eye that may be a little bit higher than the other. What you need to do is not draw attention to that change in symmetry, but correct your positioning of the brows to create the illusion of them being symmetrical. What we're now going to do is place the brow bow from the centre point of the Cupid's bow up through diagonally, touching the side of the nose, cutting through the outer corner of the eye up until where the tail end should finish. We're going to repeat that on the left and the right side of the faces. Here you're going to take your black pencil and now start drawing around your measurement lines to create the actual whole template of the brow itself. Again, stand back, take a look. Repeat that on the left and the right brows. So you're going to draw your top line of the brow, your bottom base line of the brow, all the way through. So this should measure around about 2/3 from bulb to arch, and then 1/3 from the arch to the tail end of the brow. Once we have drawn round the whole brow with our black pencil, we are going to use our white pencil to create a second line very close to it, parallel to it, to highlight to us where we cannot go. So this will just highlight to you as well any changes in symmetry.